Hello and welcome to the Vive at Vive. I'm here with Nicholas Turos with Babson Diagnostics. So Nicholas, can you explain to our viewers what the BetterWay blood testing is? That's your main product at Babson.
Yeah, my pleasure, and thanks for having me today. Babson BetterWay is really reimagined the whole blood collection and blood diagnostic experience. So it really starts with three innovations. Our first innovation, we're partnered with Becton Dickinson on a next generation blood capillary collection device that causes less hemolysis and keeps the sample intact so we can have some high quality blood.
Okay.
Our second innovation is a pre-analytic workstation that's a leave behind for our pharmacy partners. And this allows us really to do a lot of automated process in that pre-analytics, but it also allows us to mix the blood, centrifugation if needed, and then store it at optimal temperatures as it prepares for transportation to our third innovation, our laboratory. And our CLIA certified high complexity CAP accredited lab, where we have some world-class Siemens technology. There we have IP that allows us to use very small volumes of blood to have a high quality sample and give clinically equivalent results to the traditional methods by using our capillary collection.
Now your customer is the patient that can come directly to you and get tests done, but I'm curious about other stakeholders in the healthcare ecosystem like providers and payers. Do they benefit at all?
Yeah, so a provider can order a test from us as well for their patient, and be covered through insurance. I think in the ecosystem, the healthcare ecosystem, we benefit payers and providers by giving them an alternative to venipuncture. 40% of tests that are ordered are never fulfilled from a physician, and we've done a lot of different market research showing that people are scared of needles, vasovagal reaction. So now there is a true alternative to the traditional venipuncture method, which is great. And I think also you've seen payers partner with pharmacies, you've seen providers partner with pharmacies, and try to figure out how do we give patients an option to get that foundational diagnostic information so doctors can make the right decision about their health, or their care team can make the right decision about their health, or even the payer being involved in that. So I think, as that healthcare ecosystem is measured by HEDIS and macro-MIPS and STAR measures and quality metrics, and this whole shift from fee-for-service to value-based care, we can really provide some of the tools that their patients need, so they can make that care plan and ultimately help that patient to better health outcomes.
That makes sense. Now, venipuncture testing, that idea has been around for, an alternative to venipuncture testing has been around for quite some time, right? Haven't seen too many success stories in the marketplace. And now there are competitors too, right? I know of Pixel Technologies and Side Diagnostics. I think some of these companies are based out of Israel. So I'm curious to understand more clearly how you're different from these guys.
Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, we really reimagined that whole blood testing ecosystem. I think our partnerships with BD and Siemens really sets us apart, and how we interact with leaders in that space. I think the other piece is we really looked at that whole ecosystem, and we approached different problems throughout that ecosystem, convenience, access, being able to get the high quality sample, the clinical equivalent results, cost. So I really think that those set us apart from other competitors in the space.
Well, thank you so much for spending time with us, Nicholas. And that's the Vive at Vive.